Hi. So in today's video, we are going to understand how internship shapes your future. The first point is a real world experience where internship gives you a real world exposure on how exactly the work is there, how the machine works, how the people, uh, team, office, a lot of things with the practical knowledge, how exactly it is work, how you have to coordinate yourself in between and make growth and learn something new and provide the value to that particular company. So this is you will learn in internship. Second point is skill development. The internship helps you to develop your skills in all the aspect. At initial level of your career, you will be very confused to decide what path I can follow, where I can go, where I'm best, what I can do more efficiently, where I can get a good salary, and many more questions like this. So, while working in some firm, you will get an idea about how exactly you can develop your skill into different areas and what is your, interest, hobbies that you will get to know. And accordingly, you can focus on a respective skill and improve yourself, or there is a possibility you will what you can say explore yourself in a different way by professional, personal, all the way, and you will get to know your interest. The next point is better career clarity. As I mentioned, the skill development where your all the skill will evolve. Along with that, you will have a better clarity to choose your next career. So let's consider you are from a software background and you have done internship, but while working in internship, you got to know you have interest on the embedded side or some mechanical engineering side, and you are really doing well in that area, then definitely you will get a clarity about your next career or a next job that you are looking for. The next point is build your resume. This help you to build a resume where you will, of course, you will develop a lot of confidence, you will evolve yourself, but along with that you will have a strong resume where you can mention the different projects, skills, experience, and a lot more creative things you can list down into your resume where the people are already looking in market and you are already aware about it. Next is networking and references. During internship, you will work with a lot of people, you will coordinate with them, you will help them, you will get to know each other, you will network yourself. So you will have a lot of connects. They will provide you a letter of recommendation, they will teach you, they will give you a good exposure, experience, you will have good memories, bad memories, you will learn a lot. And this network definitely going to be helpful in future for a job, for again internship or a full time or any type of help in your life, project, everywhere you will get a good mentor, a team, friends, colleagues, and a lot of people in your life. So definitely this is helpful. The next is it boosts your confidence, where working in some firm gives you a professional vibe. So where you will get to know about how to talk to people, how to work with them, how to work in such an environment, how to understand, how to listen others, how to understand some concept, project, how exactly the industry work, how these people work, how entire ecosystem with respect to the firm, startup, and MNC works. That confident you get that vibe, and accordingly you work into this internship period. You will have ups and down, good bad memories over there, where you boost your confidence, and the way you speak, the way you talk, you adapt some a new way of clothing, the words, dictionary in your terms, communication, everywhere you just adapt some good things and improve yourself. So definitely the internship help you to boost your confidence. And the last point is it offers a jobs. So definitely working in some firm, it will give you a good exposure about your skill, the project, how you have to grow yourself. But along with that, they are definitely monitoring you. If they like your work, they know what they want, and you are making and satisfying that particular vision and mission, then they're definitely interested in you to offer you a job. So definitely internship helps a lot. Also, if you're looking for other company as well, they will see your internship, and based on that, whatever work you have done, they will give you a more priority. By doing an internship, it's not at all having a bad experience in your life. It's going to give you a lot of benefits, so you must try it. And I feel every student should join internship. It should be a mandatory part of your life. Even if you got a job or a placement, still you should apply for intern and get that experience. If you're a student currently, you must try and you should go for it via college, via your friends, family circle, or anyone. Try to uh, check out the other video where I have mentioned the properly about how to go for the industrial visit and many more, where you will get an idea how to connect with these firms and get all of this type of benefits, including the internship. So so let me know your thoughts on this. Is it really helpful for you or not, or it just a wastage? And also, if you are going for an internship, it's your crucial role. You should have some goal. You should set that target, and accordingly, you have to work in internship. You are investing your time, money, traveling, everything. So of course, you should learn something from that internship other than salary, stipend, and that the certificate or letter of recommendation. Along with that, all your benefit that you have to achieve, learn, grow yourself, and definitely apply all these 10 benefits from your internship to yourself. And comment down, have you done ever internship in your life you're looking for? So let me know your thoughts on this. So till then, bye bye.